this morning. We'll be speaking to Daniel Kariuki. But before then, ODM leader Raila Odinga is expected in Nyeri County today, where he will tout his Azimio na Umoja initiative. Raila has been making deliberate forays in the region in an attempt to outstage the political ground gained by his nemesis, Deputy President William Ruto. Our reporter Clement Masombo is following this tour for us this morning, and he now joins me live with his report. Clement, good to see you this morning. Raila Odinga expected in your region. I know there's so many governors in the wider Mount Kenya region supporting Raila Odinga, but he's chosen to come to Nyeri this morning. What is his mission in Nyeri this morning?
Good morning, Ken. It's indeed true that the ODM leader Raila Odinga is expected in Nyeri County, and he'll be having a two-day tour here in Nyeri. Today he's expected to meet Council of Elders at Kafirione grounds, and later on we understand he'll be holding a meeting with the youth from this county. But that's not all. He'll also be holding his Azimio la Umoja tour tomorrow across this county. But just to mention, we expect a number of senior government officials to accompany him. I understand some CSS, some cabinet secretaries will be accompanying him, as well as governors and some elected leaders from the region. But now I want to speak to the ODM chair in Nyeri County, that is Kaheria Maina, just to give us just a preview of what we expect from Raila Odinga's tour. Thank you so much, Chairman, for joining us on KTN News. What do we expect from ODM leader Raila Odinga tour today and tomorrow in Nyeri County?
Thank you very much. My name is Washira Maina Kaheria. I am the chairperson ODM Nyeri County. Waswahili walisema hayawi huwa. The ODM party leader and the 5th president of the Republic of Kenya has now arrived. He's flanked by various dignitaries. As we speak, he's headed to Kafirione grounds, where he will be hosted by the Kikuyu Council of Elders, together with elders from other parts of Kenya, especially the Lake region. After that, he's going to be doing the youth meeting at a venue near the Dedan Kimathi University. And I want to tell all the Nyeri residents to come out in huge numbers to receive their leader, to receive their national leader. And it is an open forum during the Kikuyu Council of Elders meeting. So you are all invited to flock and flood the stadium, and all are welcome. People from all walks of life are invited, and there is nothing required for you to join us in celebrating the peace that we are advocating for in this country.
Chairman, to speak, are you having a set of maybe memoranda that will be of demands that will be demanded, that will be presenting to the ODM party leader Raila Odinga as he holds the meeting with the youth, with the Council of Elders, as well as the professionals later today?
The party leader will be meeting various stakeholders. The youth will have what they want to tell him. They will provide their memoranda. He will meet the professionals in the evening. They will provide their memoranda. And even as he continues to tour this country, the people of the great county of Nyeri will continue telling him what they want him to do for them once he assumes the presidency of this country.
Okay, thank you so much, Chairman, for speaking to us. Ken, that's Chairman of the ODM party here in Nyeri County. And yesterday, in a press conference, he insisted that this is not an ODM affair, but it's rather an initiative by the Raila Odinga as a person to advance his Azimio la Umoja in attempts to unite the country. And just to mention that Nyeri County is the heart of central Kenya, and a visit of Raila Odinga to Nyeri County, of course, means a lot as far as politics is concerned. And as the day moves, of course, we shall keep our viewers updated more and giving them more details as the meetings progress. Back to you, Ken.
All right, Clement, thank you very much. We're looking forward to your report later on as Raila Odinga begins his visit in Nyeri. Actually, we understand he's already arrived. We'll try and go back to Nyeri if we have time for that. Clement Masombo speaking to us live from Nyeri. All right. Away from that, the One Kenya Alliance Brigade is in Western Kenya today, starting with Kakamega County. Our